Okay, so on this connections problem, we are asked to do some problems that deal with weighted. About that. Okay, now the thing with weighted is that some things are worth more than others, is the way that a weighted system works. It says that Dr. Vaughn is calculating the mean score for a student. Each quiz has a weight of 1 and each test has a weight of 5. That just means that tests are worth 5 times more than a quiz. To the nearest tenth, what is the student's mean score of tests and quizzes? Now, when we say mean, that means our average. So we add the scores together and we divide by the number of scores we have. The only thing we want to take a look at, though, is that the test is worth 5 times more than any of the quizzes. So when we total these up, we have a 94.5, a 96, an 87. Then we have a 91, but we have that, it's worth 5 of those, so we have it 5 times. Then plus 88.5 and plus 93. So let's go ahead and add those together. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and write right here 91 times 5. This is worth 455 points. Okay, so we have 94.5 plus 96 plus 87 plus 455 plus 88.5 plus 93. Okay, so we get a total, because that's how we find an average, is you total the scores, then you divide by the number of scores you have. But remember, each of these count as 1, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one counts as 5 all by itself, so we have 5 plus 5 more counts as 10 parts to our average. So we're going to divide by 10. Even though there were 6 items there, the test counted as 5. Okay, so we count it 5 times. We go ahead and do that, and 914 divided by 10 gives us 91.4. Okay, so the weighted average for this student was 91.4. Okay, let's do another weighting problem. It says Jason compares surveys on used cars. A specific brand was scored on its characteristics with the following weights of performance. Calculate the car's mean score to the nearest tenth. Now notice they give us a score and then they give us a weight for that score. A score, give us a weight, a score, give us a weight, score, give us a weight. So the fact that this is a weight of 3 means that it counts 3 times. So we have 2, 2, and 2 because we want to total these. So this was just our first score. Okay. Plus the 3.5 had a weight of 5, so you can either write it down 5 times, adding it up, or you can multiply by 5. Just make sure you get them all in there. Okay, so notice there are 5 of these. The other thing would be to take them times 5. Our gas mileage is 4. And it only has a weight of 1, so it only counts once, and the cost of repairs is 2. But again, it's only weighted once, so it only gets 1 vote. We're going to total those and divide by how many we have. Well, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and total the top. When I do that, I get a total on the top of 29.5, and I divide that by 10, and it gives me 2.95. They want me to round to the nearest tenth, which would cut it off here, except that 5 makes me round up, and 9 goes up to 10. We end up with 3.0 when we round up.